Everyone's eyes are on Bengal for reasons which don't interest me much. But I think of Bengal and I think of poetry and Gurudev. He built a school there in 1901. And in 2026, we are still debating through the NEP and the NCF कि किस तरह से पढ़ाना चाहिए. क्या लगता है आपको? किस तरह से पढ़ाना चाहिए? Will children learn better if they're sitting still in one place? Or will they learn better when there is fresh air and movement and they're out in nature, like Tagore said? He built a school, देखा है आपने, गए हैं कि नहीं गए हैं शांति निकेतन? And fresh air, it sort of sends more oxygen to the blood. Movement is helping attention and memory and focus. And when you learn with nature, it reduces stress completely and makes you more comfortable with the environment and for learning. And today, neurosciences are also saying the same thing. I follow Andrew Huberman, and he says the same thing, that the brain states keep changing with light, with air, and with movement. वो कहते हैं कि सुबह उठते ही साथ fresh air में and light में जाइए. I follow that. And body को movement भी दीजिए. And what are we doing? Children are all locked up in air-conditioned rooms, digiboards, etc., etc. Try and do something which Gurudev said. For me, Bengal is poetry, literature, culture, art. That's what it is. And so I'm thinking about him today. And आपको बच्चों को, you want to teach them science? Take them out, show them an insect or a creature and say, observe very carefully. और वापस आके लिखोगी क्या observe किया. You already set them off on the path of curiosity, imagination and hypothesis. Take them out for math and show them a tree and बोलिए estimate कीजिए कि इसकी क्या height होगी and फिर उसकी जो परछाई है shadow उसको measure करवा लीजिए. बस हो गया. Ratio and proportion की आपने उसको शुरुआत कर दी. You want them to learn language, take them out, get them to observe something and say observe with all 5 senses and come back and write a descriptive paragraph. हो गया vocabulary without any worksheet. You want to teach them history, take them out and show them a building and say 100 साल के बाद ये कैसे दिखेगी, क्या लगता है? You set off historical hypothesis. Same curriculum, same time, but taught with nature and connected with the way the brain learns. No control, no regimentation, but simple natural environment. वैसे ही सबसे बढ़िया brain की learning होती है. That's what Gurudev said. That's what Mahatma said.